I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the sheet and cell where the live date/time will appear. Open the Developer tab and press Alt plus F11 to access the VBA editor. This is how you automate updates. Pick a cell such as A1 and set its number format to a date/time style so Excel displays values correctly. Once done, save the file as a macro-enabled workbook. XLSM to preserve your code. Make sure to enable macros when prompted so your automation runs. Now you add the VBA routine that writes now to the cell and reschedules itself. Inserting a module, define a public date variable to store the next run time, then write a sub that sets range, A1. Value equals now and formats as needed. Use application. On time to call the same sub after a chosen interval, for example 1 second or 30 seconds. This keeps the display live. Make sure to include a sub to cancel on time when the workbook closes to avoid orphaned scheduled events. Finish by wiring the code into Workbook Open to start the timer when you open the file, and Workbook before close to cancel any pending application. On time calls, test while macros are enabled. Adjust the update interval if Excel slows. Longer intervals reduce CPU use. If the live time stops, make sure macro security allowed the code to run and run the cancel sub, then re-trigger the start sub to clear stale schedules. This approach keeps updates reliable and prevents runaway background timers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.